Hello everybody. I wanted today to install a new SSD hard drive on my laptop. So I said why not film it and make a video, maybe it's helpful for you guys. Here in BIOS you can see on my boot section there are only two options, my existing hard drive and the optical unit, the DVD writer. So let's do this. The first thing you always want to do is remove the battery and any other peripherals you might have, such as a wireless mouse. After turning it around on its back, for the optical unit, it is only necessary to remove this screw. It's a multi-purpose screw. It also holds the back and unit. After that you can just slide it across. We are going to replace this with the new SSD in a caddy. But for this video I'm also going to remove the entire back cover and all its screws, just for you to see. Behind this little back plate, it's the hard drive and RAM and whatnot. We're gonna have to remove the hard drive as well, starting with these screws. And then just take the hard drive out by sliding it around. Okay, let's put this aside. And I'm just gonna check a little bit to see if there isn't any other screw. Everything seems alright. Let's get out the back plate, the back cover. It's harder at the beginning for the first few clips. Okay, that's it. Now I almost forgot, in this laptop you have to take out also the connector for the speakers. The speakers are on the back cover, so remove that. And then everything is okay. So this is the back cover. Nothing really important to see here. Oh, well, I guess I can show you the speakers that I've been talking about. So this is the wire for them, and here they are. Also on the other side, there you go. So on the DVD writer there is a metal clip that is screwed in. With this metal clip, that screw that we talked earlier fixes the entire unit to the laptop right there. And we're gonna have to move it to the SSD with the caddy. Now that part is here. It's already mounted. It came as a two-piece, the caddy and the SSD, the black one. After you mount it, you have to be careful and screw the parts together. The caddy comes with 4 screws right here and there, just for them to stay together. You can see the screw over there. So here and here. Now I'm gonna change the metal clip onto this caddy. One moment. Here we go. That was fast. So after placing it here, you can see it's ready to be mounted. Just for example, this is going to be placed here, and well, connected there, and here with the screw it's gonna be fixed to the laptop. After this, I'm just gonna put the back cover on, screw it in place, and put the old hard drive back. I'm gonna fast forward through all of this process. So now that all of that is done, I wanted to show you if the SSD is mounted correctly, if it's visible. You can check that by going again to the boot page, and actually in the priorities you can see it's the old hard drive and the new one, the SSD Kingston. Of course, now you can modify it, maybe place it in the first priority or whatever you want. So thanks again for watching, and don't forget to like the video. Also subscribe and share if you want. Thanks, bye.